Okay, students, today's topic is characteristics of community health nurse. Community is vast subject which is based on the society and which is based on the procedures which we are going to do in the society. It's considered as a community health nurse. The nurse who can able to control emotions, who can able to work with the society, who can able to maintain the professionalism with the society, considered as a community health nurse, which is based on the practical knowledge, which is based on the scientific reasons. That is considered as community health nurse. Today's topic is characteristics of community health nurse. The characteristics considered is the quality of the community health nurse which she has to or he has to develop in her or his professionalisms to maintain the effective communications, maintain the effective interpersonal relationship to the society. The first one characteristics is sound preparation. Sound preparation is considered as a theoretical knowledge and is a practical knowledge which you are going to learn at the time of your college, at the time of your community health nursing subject. The sound preparation is mainly based on the theoretical knowledge, how we have to apply, how we have to talk with the patients, how to talk with the society, individuals, families, and group, and the practical, which is based on the procedures which you are going to perform on at the time of your working area, at the time of your posting. The consider is a sound preparations in the both the way, in the theoretical knowledge, in the practical knowledge. The second one is the interest. You have to develop an interest towards the community health nursing subject. Because of the interest, you can easily talk to patients. Because of the interest, you can easily maintain the ideas and innovative ideas to recreations and to maintain the effective nursing process at the time of the applying the procedures, at the time of applying any work while the community, at the time of the applying the program also. The interest if you have, then you can easily get the results which you can think at the time of the applying the any procedures. The third one is a relationship. Relationships always be maintained as a professional relationship. At the time of the community posting, at the time of the working with the community, only you have to maintain the professionalism. Professionalism is considered as only the nurse patients ratio, only the nurse individual ratios in nurse family ratios where you cannot disclose any personal data, you cannot disclose any personal annotations of your data while communicating to the patients. That is considered as a only professionalisms and professional relations you have to maintain while the talk to the anyone. Ability to teamwork. Ability to teamwork considered as a you have to uh, comparison to the families and comparisons to the your classmates. You have to be working as a both the way. You have to work as both the way. You have to work with the classmates. You have to work with the families and group and individuals also. So you have to work as a teamwork where you can easily get the effective results by participation of that particular family or participation of the particular clients which you can dealing with them. Then next one is a communications. Communications must be on the interpersonal communications when you have to firstly listen to them and you have to give the answers or you have to give the questions also where you can easily identify the reasons. So this is a concern as a communications where you can apply your knowledge, you can apply your speaking, you can apply your language styles. This considers a communication which is effective in manner, which is easily understandable to everyone, easily knowledgeable to everyone, so they can improve their knowledge also. Then emotional stability. Emotional stability mainly for your professionalism, maintenance of the professionalism. Emotional stability mostly on sympathy and emphasis. You have to only provide the sympathy to them because sympathy get their attraction also, and empathy gains your emotional stability not be maintained if you maintain the empathy. So you have to maintain only sympathy while applying the patients, like emotional stability. Emotional stability mainly for the applying with the family members. Then attitude. Attitude mostly on the good attitude where you can easily learn, you can easily teach, you can easily talk to them. It is considered a good attitude where you are interested in the work and you can able to control on emotion also. You have to be very positive attitude while applying the any procedures to the clients. Then observer. Firstly, taking any step or any functions, you have to firstly observe to that patients. Like you have to observe the home area, observe the patients, observe the physical examination perform, then consider the observations. Observations mostly based on your practical knowledge and mostly on your theoretical knowledge, where you can apply both the sound preparations at the time of the observations. The next one is a skill. Skill is mainly skill development. It's mainly for the applying the procedures. At the time of the procedures, you can easily apply the skill where you can easily get the effective results. Applying the skill is mainly for the maintaining of the procedures where you can easily get some ideas, easily perform the procedures with your own skills. Then friendly. You have to be friendly with the family also. You have to be friendly with the children, friendly with your classmates. That considers the friendliness. Friendliness help you to maintain the teamwork easily and for the gaining the help from the others. So it is a behavior changes you have to approve in yourself. That is considered as friendliness. Then innovative. Innovative considered as a you have to apply the more and more idea for performing the procedures. Innovations makes the new and new idea, new and new research, which help you to in the positive, which is beneficial to that patients, so beneficial to the family also. That is considered as an innovative, where you can doing the creative and creative ideas for giving best to best care to that particular family or the individual. The listener. Listener is the first characteristic we have to apply because after the listening of their complaints, after the sign and symptoms, their manners, you can easily talk to them easily. So this will help you to maintain the easily relationship with each other and professionalism to each other. Firstly, you have to listen before asking the any questions. You have to firstly good listener while giving or going in the community health nursing posting. Then patience. Patience considered as you have to be patience while applying any procedures. It's to day-to-day activities. In the first day, second day, third day, you have to very long. For short-term school and long-term schools, both are considered as in the patience. You need patience for maintaining of your goal and achieving your evaluations, good evaluation. Consider so patience is very important at the time of the working with the clients. Last one is the decision making. Decision making at the time of the any emergency, at the time of the performing any procedures, you have to be considered as a decision making capacity. You have to be very polite and you have to be very reasonable at the time of the this making the decision. You have to the rations while you have taken this step, while you are going to do these procedures. That is considered as a decision making capacity. You have to be developed in yourself by your knowledge and by your experience that you can easily develop the decision making capacity by performing the any procedure, by performing the any activity with the community. This is considered as a characteristic of a community health nurse. This characteristic, if the community health nurse can develop, then she or he can easily work with the community and gain the relationship with the community easily. So this is some qualities which she or he has to apply by working with the community postings or the working with the community health nurse after the graduations. Thank you.